not just a sit and watch video, it's an interactive one. That means I'll be asking you to talk, shout answers, and even move your body a little. Here's how it will work. I'll tell you some short, fun stories. I'll ask you questions and give you choices. You'll help me decide what is careful and what is careless. Sometimes I'll say, "Your turn," and that's when you join in. You can answer out loud, point, or even act things out where you are. Ready to play, learn, and be part of the story? All right, take a deep breath, get your voices ready, and let's start our careful versus careless adventure together. Today, we're going to learn two big silly words, careful and careless. Can you say careful? Now say careless. Simple definitions. Careful. Careful is when we think first. Careless. Careless is when we don't think at all. We just go boing. Number 1. Toys. Careful versus careless. The story setup. Once, in my room, my toys had a wild dance party. There were toys on the floor, toys on the bed, toys on my head. There are two ways to be. Being careful with toys. When I am careful, I pick up my toys and put them in the box. If mommy walks in, she won't trip and go, "Oof!" Result: no one falls, no one cries, and my toys don't get squished. Being careless with toys. When I am careless, I leave toys everywhere and say, "Hey, it's fine." Then I forget, I walk, I step on a toy, and I sit right on my bottom. And I say, "Who put that toy there?" "Oh yeah, I did." Key idea. Being careful with toys keeps everyone safe. Being careless can hurt us, and our poor squishy teddy. Number 2, drinks, careful versus careless. Story setup. Let's talk about juice. Do you like juice or milk? Me too. But juice and milk can be very, very splashy. For example, in a busy restaurant, careful drink preparation keeps orders accurate and customers happy, while careless handling can lead to wrong mixes, spills, and wasted ingredients. Being careful with drinks. When I am careful with my drink, I hold my cup with 2 hands. I walk slowly, like a turtle. My drink goes in my tummy where it belongs. Being careless with drinks. When I am careless, I run with my cup. I swing it around and say, "Whee!" And then, splash! Now my juice is on the floor, on my socks, maybe even on the cat. My socks are drinking the juice instead of me. Do we want our juice in our tummy or on the floor? In our tummy, of course. Key idea. That's why we are careful with our cups. Number 3, crossing like a street, careful versus careless. In this setup, let's pretend the floor is a busy street and your stuffed animals are cars. Crossing like a street means using your eyes and feet carefully. Crossing like a street means slowing down, looking around, and moving carefully so you stay safe. Being careful when crossing. When I am careful, I stop. I look one way. I look the other way. Then I walk slowly. I watch where I'm going. Being careless when crossing. When I am careless, I don't look at all. I just run and spin and jump like a banana. Then the stuffed animal cars go, "Beep, beep." And I say, "Ah, the teddy car almost got me." Key idea. Being careful means I stop, I look, and I go slowly. Being careless means I don't look, and that can be scary or ouchy. Now, let's talk about grown-ups. Grown-ups do important things like sending emails, making coffee, and trying to look calm even when they are very, very busy. Being careful. When I am careful, I read my email before I send it. So instead of sending "I love you" to my boss, I send the right message. I hold my coffee with 2 hands like it's a tiny, dangerous trophy. I put my phone in my pocket so I don't text my friend, my mom, and my dentist all at once. Oops! That message was for you, not my group chat. Being careless. When I am careless, I hit send too fast. Then I write good morning at night or send a message with 47 typos. I carry coffee, keys, a laptop, and a bag of snacks at the same time, like a superhero with no plan. Then, splash. Coffee on my shirt. Now I look like I fought a latte and lost. Key idea. Careful grown-ups make fewer silly mistakes. Careless grown-ups make messes, mix-ups, and emails that say best regards, which is, of course, the adult version of banana chaos. Now let's play a game. I'll say something. If it's careful, shout, yay! If it's careless, shout, no! Ready? Question 1. I put my toys away so no one trips. Is that careful or careless? Answer. That's careful. Yay! Question 2. I run with my cup and spill juice on the floor and the dog in the ceiling. Careful or careless? Answer. That's careless. Question 3. I walk slowly and hold the railing when I go down the stairs. Careful or careless? Answer. That's careful. You got it. Question 4. I throw my toy across the room and almost hit Grandma's nose. Careful or careless? Answer. That's careless. Poor Grandma's nose. So what do these big words mean? Careful means we think first. We go slow. We keep people safe. Careless means we don't think. We go too fast. People can get hurt or things can break.
Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.